What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell a stock or a share that is in a pie on Trading 212. So let's get started. So to sell or remove a stock from a pie, you would first need to go to your portfolio section right here. And once you're on your portfolio section, you would just need to navigate to a pie that you want to remove a stock from or to sell a stock from. So let's say this pie right here, you can just open up your pie. And from here go to holdings right here. Now once you opened up your pie and you're on the holdings section, you should be able to see these three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. So just go ahead and tap on those. And from here, just go ahead and select export investments. Now here you would be able to select which stocks you would like to export and then later sell. So let's say that I want to export this stock right here. Now I will just mark it and then tap on next. Now you can select how much of this stock you would like to sell or export. So I would select the whole part. Now if you would just like to sell, let's say 50% of your holdings of this share, you would just need to adjust this slider right here. But because I want to completely sell off all my holdings of this company that I have in this pie, I will just have it slid to 100% and then tap on confirm. And there we go. So now that's exported, but we would first need to adjust the pie before moving on. So because we exported one stock, we would just need to adjust other stock holdings so they can compensate for that. So let's say something like this. This number always needs to be at 100%. So just tap confirm and there we go. Now go back to your portfolio. And here you have these shares exported. So to sell them, all you would need to do is just tap sell right here, then confirm it or review order, and then just confirm the order. And there we go. So that's guys how you can sell a stock that's in a pie on Trading 212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.